Hey guys, it's Tyler here from Fisherman's Source today to talk about JYG products. We just got in these new 140 gram strikes pre-rigged in the blue colorway, the chartreuse glow colorway, the pink colorway, and the silver, along with the 240 gram pre-rigged strikes in all of those same colors. We have the tuna bombs in the 350 and 450 gram in the sardine, the red, and the blue and pink. We have your splash bags for those bigger jigs. You just want to throw them in here, hose them down after a long day. We have the smaller jig wallet to transport some of those smaller jigs, or if you just want to carry a couple around. We have the big guy for carrying all sizes. The middle's got those big slots for those really big jigs. The sides are the smaller ones. We have the PR bobbin for tying your knots, tightens, tension knob, clicker, little adjustments on there. And then we have the IKEJIME kit for dispatching those bigger pelagics, deep water fish, stuff that releases gas. All of this is available online at fishermansource.com or in our store here in Ocean Township, New Jersey.